So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain this question BFS of graph. It is marked easy. So as you all know that there are two types of traversal we can perform on graph. One is DFS and one is BFS. So as we all know that BFS is also known as level order traversal. So let's see why it is known as level order traversal. Because whenever we perform a BFS in any graph, so it travels like this. This is the first level because this is the starting node, and then we perform to this, we visit this. So this is like level order traversal. Now what will be our desired output? So it will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Why? Because we have traversed this, then this level, then this level. Okay, so I hope this is clear. But one thing to be noticed here is, let's say instead of 1 2 3 in the adjacency list, it is given 2 1 3. So it would be 2 1 3. The order doesn't matter. The thing which matter here is, before coming to this level we should have visited this, no matter in which order we have visited, but we should have explored the previous level. So let's see how we are traversing or how we perform BFS. So to perform BFS we need three data structures. Like, one is answer, which is a type of vector in which we came to know that in what order we have visited. Obviously the queue. Whenever BFS comes to mind, we always take the approach of queue. And one is visited array. Why visited array? Because once we have explored the node, or like node, then we don't need to explore it again. So that's why visited array. 2, 3, and then 4. So let's start traversing. So our starting node is 0. It's given in the question that connected from node 0. Our starting node is 0. So let's see. So 3 steps we have to do at the beginning. What are the 3 steps? Like, we have to push the starting node in the queue, we have to mark the 0th node as true, and we have to put 0 in our answer because this is our starting node. So it's obvious that in our answer vector the starting node is our first element of the array answer. So let's extract the node elements one by one from the queue node. So we will be taking out 0 from the queue. Now node equal to 0. So the first step we are going to do is, we will find the adjacency list and we will traverse the whole elements from which, like from 0th node, what are the nodes we can visit? So it is 1 2 and 3. So we will check that if 1 is visited. No, it's not visited, so we will mark it as true, put 1 in our answer. Now again we will check next element, 2. 2 is visited. No, it's not visited. Oh, 1 we should put in our queue. 2 is not visited. We will mark 2 as true and we will put 2 in our answer. Now next 3. 3 is also not visited. We will mark 3 as true. 2 we should put in queue, and 3 in our queue. Now 3 is also in our answer. Now we will be extracting 1. So we will be checking from 1 what are the nodes we can explore. No, so 1 is over. Now we will be extracting 2. Pointer is here, 2. So what are the nodes we can explore? 4. We will check. 4 is visited. No, 4 is not visited, so we will mark true. We will add 4 in our answer. Sorry, 2. 4 in our answer, and then explore another node. Now 2 is over. Like, from 2 we can visit 4. 4 we have already explored. Like, recently I have marked as a true. Now loop is over. Now we will move to next element, 3. From 3, where we can visit? No, there are no nodes from where we can visit from 3. So 3 is over. So finally we have visited all the nodes, and the order in which we visit, or the level wise we have traversed, is stored in our answer. Like, this is the level 0, this is the level 1, this is the level 2, and finally we will be returning this answer vector. So let's code. So now what I have told you, we will be needed three data structures. So first one is vector of answer. Now second is Q. Third is visited vector. Visited vector is of size nodes. We are already given this, like v vectors, v nodes we have. So visited of v comma false. Initially all the nodes were false. Now what are the three initial steps we have to do is we have to push the starting node in the answer dot push back 0. Next what we have to do, we have to mark 0 as visited. True. Now next step is we have to push starting node to the queue. Now let's start traversing. While queue is not empty, like you can see here, while our queue not becomes empty, we are traversing the the last node we have traversed is 3. So look, no, 4. It's 4. Last node I forgot to mention. Okay, this was 4. So node is equals to 4. 4 we have already visited. There is no node after from which we can visit from 4. So 4 is already done. Okay. So now next step is we will extract the front element from the queue. So it was 0. So int node is equals to front, then q dot pop. This is the standard code of BFS which I am writing. Like every problem of graph which can be solved from DFS and BFS. So this code you have to like memorize, like you have to practice a lot so that this gets into your brains. So let's traverse for auto v adj of node. Like what are the nodes adjacent nodes we can visit from the current node. From adjacency list we have put the current node, and this we will get all the nodes from where we can visit from node. So let's see, if what we will be checking, if not visited v, then we will do visited of v is equals to true, then answer dot push back v, and then q dot push v. Now at last we'll be returning our answer. So let's run. Okay, answer dot push back. Okay, push back, typo. Let's run this code. Okay, it's passing. So let's submit it. Okay, it is accepted. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching.